Alright, this is second practice of format 4. So let's remove this, and this is now format 4 practice 2, and let's call it variations. What is actually possible that you don't have this n1 or n2 given, that you don't have this n1 or n2 given. In that case, what basically happens, that you would have to take input for this n1 or n2. In that case, it would become input n1, all right, and you might have this n2 not given. Then in that case you would have to input n2. Let's take this May-June 2012 P12 question. All right, let's take this question. This question is basically May-June 2012 P12. Now this question has that variation. This is basically our outer count, and this is 7 days, 7 working day. So outer count would automatically be, so I do it in orange so that it could easily be identified, all the changes. So outer count now would be of 7. 1, 2, 7. Okay. For the reason that we have 7-day working week. Now, the algorithm says that input the number of customer inquiries each day. So it simply means that we need to identify this n2, sorry, n2. All right. So what we need to do, we have to input. So what change we do in our pseudocode, that is basically let's just first clean this up so that we have place for input. Input, what do we need to input? N2. Now for inner count is equal to 1 to what? N2. Since we don't know what is N2 every day, so we just put that variable there, N2. Okay. Now instead of temperature, what we will input? Price. Okay, so we are not just totaling price, because they want us to basically input house price for each customer inquiry. That is done. how many customers inquired each day about houses costing less than 100,000. So instead of totaling, now we have totaling with decision. So instead of this count, what we would do, we will do it with decision now. And they haven't asked for any highest and lowest, so just let's remove this all. All right. Okay. Input price. If price are, this is what we are doing now.